Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Muhammad Rayyan bin Muhammad Sharif. My metric number is A2480109 EP. So today I would like to present about JNT Express. That is our main topic. So introduction is JNT Express is a technology driven logistics and courier company that was established in Indonesia in 2015. Since its establishment, the company has expanded rapidly across Southeast Asia and several other international markets. The company focused on providing efficient, reliable, and customer-oriented logistics solution through the use of advanced technology and integrated logistics networks. JNT Express serve individual customers, small and medium-sized enterprise, and large e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Next is a problem statement. So last mile delivery inefficiency. One of the most critical logistics challenges currently faced by JT Express Malaysia is last mile delivery inefficiency. Last mile delivery refers to the final stage of the logistic process where parcels are transported from a distribution center or local delivery hub to the final customer destination. Although this stage appears relatively simple compared to other logistics operations, it is widely recognized as the most expensive, labor-intensive, and operational complex segment of the entire supply chain. So the problem include delivery delays, traffic congestion, failed deliveries, rising operational costs, and customer dissatisfaction. Thank you, Doctor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akrami bin Abdul Aziz. Metric number A21L0026EP. Today I will explain our product and innovation. Smart Logistic Route Optimization System SLROS. Okay, technology-driven logistic management system that optimize delivery route using artificial intelligence (AI), Internet of Things (IoT), GPS tracking, cloud computing, data analytics. Objective to improve last mile delivery efficiency and reduce optional costs. Okay, next, product description, system design, input data, uh, GPS location, traffic information, weather condition, customer delivery preference, historical delivery record. Uh, Next, AI processing engine analyze real-time optional data. So next, output optimize delivery route, estimate delivery time, and route recommendation.
Next is product specification. First is real-time GPS tracking, mobile delivery application, fleet monitoring, dashboard, AI route optimization, cloud-based data storage, and lastly, data analytics reporting. Next is novelty. What makes Loros different? First is in traditional system, fixed routes. but it follows dynamic routes. Next, manual planning in traditional system, but in slows AI planning, just like Google Maps or Waze. If the traditional system limited monitoring, but it slows real-time monitoring. And lastly, in traditional system, reactive decision, but in slows predictive decisions.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Nur Yazid. Today I want to talk about smart container management optimization system, courier by JNT Express. My part is innovation impact. First of all is operation impact, can be a faster delivery process, better fleet utilization, reduce fuel consumption. Second is customer impact, accurate delivery estimates, improve service quality, higher customer satisfaction. And lastly is environment impact, lower carbon emission. And last is sustainable logistics and operation. Commercialization potential. Target customer is a courier companies, logistic providers, e-commerce companies, supply chain operators. Second is revenue opportunities, software licensing, monthly subscription, logistic consulting service, and last is system customization. Market potential is a growing logistic and e-commerce industries create strong demand for smart logistic solutions. So in conclusion, SLROS is an innovative logistic solution that addresses last mile delivery inefficiency through AI, IoT, GPS, and data analysis technologies. The system improves delivery performance, reduce operational costs, enhance customer satisfaction, and offers strong commercialization potential within the logistics industry. That's all from us, and thank you.